everyone, Camilo here again for a new video to Honeyfunny Heat Transfers Vinyl. Today I will show you a new super product that we have. This product, it's Heat Transfer Vinyl, but now in glitter version. Inside of this envelope we are going to find 15 different precious colors. The format is the same one that in the another our product, but now we're going to find super beautiful colors. With that Heat Transfer Vinyl glitter version, you can do a 1,000 new kind of different projects. I'm really excited to start with this project. Today, I will make a kid apron with glitter vinyls. Okay, in our project today, we are going to use 4 different colors. So, we're going to have extra care to cut each of them. Okay, our first color, it will be the golden one. If you see, we have 2 sides. The glitter side and the stamp side, or the cutting side. The cutting we will have to do it in this side. So don't forget, mirror your design. Okay, we are going to use our mat because we want to use every piece of our glitter HTV. And I don't want to lose any piece of them because I love it. Okay. In the software, we are going to choose the right settings. Okay guys, here we have already cut it our designs. So now we are going to cut the piece to work better with the vinyl. And I like to cut some squares to then with my vinyl. Okay. Also, I'm doing this apron to my daughter. She's 3 years old and she loves help mom to cook. And okay, I already have cut the black one, and this is the result that we have to find, that we have to get. We just get just the vinyl over design in the liner. The liner is the plastic thing with glue. Here. Okay. So let's continue with the other colors. We will see. Perfect. Okay. If you have some problems, you can help a little bit with your hand or with another tool. Normally, if you have design with edges or with designs too much complicated, you will have to get extra care. Continue with this color, with the next color. Okay. Sometimes it's easy, sometimes it's not too much easy. But the only way that gets success, it's trying and trying and trying again. Don't give up at the first attempt. Of course, the things are going to be more difficult at the first time. But if you keep trying, I promise you that you're going to get success. I have more than 5 years using Cameo Silhouette, and yeah, the first time was not easy. But now, I think I have more experience. I'm not saying that I'm an expert, but for sure I have more experience. Okay, I think I'm ready. Yep, I think so. Here we have the horn. And okay. As you can see, here we have all our vinyl already cut it, and it's the time to stamp it. Okay guys, that was the first part of this project. I want to invite you to check our second part. We are going to finish that project, and I want to invite you to check our other videos where you can find another kind of project, more inspiration and more information to learn how to cut our vinyls. So that's it guys, see you in the next video. Bye bye.